How's it going, YouTube? Today is December 1st, and we just got our second nature box today. Our first one we have here today is Zesty Noodle Crunch. Thank you.
Pretty spicy.
Oh yeah, it does. It does have a little spice in it.
Hold on, guys. I'm going to go get some water.
These are good. It's a zesty mix of seeds and crispy chickpea noodles. It's good. I like it.
I don't.
You don't like it? Too spicy?
From a 10 to a 1, I'll give it a 1. What would you give it?
I would give it a 7.
It can only be to 10 to 1.
1 to 10?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was the Zesty Noodle
10.
Crunch.
That it would be 10.
Our next one is
I
the
open it.
Azago and Cheddar Cheese Crisps. Calm down.
I got it. I got it.
More gravity.
One.
I like it. Give it an 8.
Huh?
I would give it an 8.
One. Ugh.
Good. You don't like it?
No, it tastes horrible.
It doesn't taste horrible.
Ugh.
Get out of here. You
Doesn't-
probably just don't like how much the cheese is. Our next one is Pumpkin Spice Nom Noms. Stop hitting the table. Oh, well then. Didn't expect that.
1 to 10. I'll give it a 10.
I'll give it a 10 too. This is good.
Yeah. It's that right here. Everything I like and don't like, I put right there. That's one I do like.
Our next one is Lemon Pucker Pistachios.
Lemon pucker pistachios.
Yep. You like the pistachios in the Grace box, didn't you?
Oh yeah, that was so good. And the salty.
Oh man. There's a lot of lemon on that.
1 to 10. 10.
Give it a 9.
It doesn't have a lot of lemon to me.
Whoa. Okay.
There goes that.
Ugh. Too much lemon.
What to me?
Actually, I'd give it an 8.
Why?
And our last one we have here is our Dark Cocoa Nom Noms. There you go. Oh, only 3 of them came in this one.
Oh, okay.
What?
These are coffee beans.
Coffee beans. Mini cocoa oat cookies.
That's okay.
Those are good.
Yeah. I like the ones with pistachios.
Like pistachios?
Yeah. They're not a lot of lemon to me.
So, out of all these, what would you say the Grace box, or the Nature box, what would you rate the Nature box of all this together?
100.
100.
Except for this one.
Except for the Zesty Noodle Crunch?
Yep.
Was it because it was too spicy?
No, gross and spicy. 1, 10, 10, 10, 10.
So you gave 10 on all of them except for the Zesty Noodle Crunch, huh?
And this one actually is 100 and 200.
So I gave this a 8. The lemon
No,
pucker
No,
pistachios.
102,000.
102,000. Because that's a number.
It is?
102,000 is not a number.
I'll just go to 2,000.
Well, that was our nature box.
But
Our second one. And, goodbye, YouTube.
Bye.